Imwana cia Ulinzi Youth matamurire JYSA kuma thika na bao 3-1 gukua gikombe gia Chapa Dimba na Safaricom gicigo-ini gia gatagati. Mbĩtĩka iciria cithakĩirwo na Nyuki Stadium, athaki Brian Kafero, Emmanuel Enkai Orodoma na Kevin Onyango nĩo macangĩire bao icio gũkũ Clinton Chetara akĩingĩrĩria JYSA bao ya kũhoreria. Mwena wa Nyarari nao Falling Waters makorirwo makĩgonia wega Limuru Starlet na bao 3-1 gũtetera gikombe gĩkĩ gũkũ muthaki Jane Jerry akiona neti maita merĩ.
Kukua top scorer last second year Chapa Dimba na third, nimefurahi.
Congratulate my girls. It's not easy, you know, playing an opponent twice in the finals, in the same tournament. They know you. Every time they know you are sharp players.
Kũngĩ nakuo Thukuru wa Brookhouse nĩo ahotania macindano ma mwaka ũyũ ma maithikiri na marĩa moĩkaine ta Hog Charge. Mathako maya marĩa mahanĩkĩire thukuru-inĩ wa Peponi mwena wa Ruiru makuruhanagia arutwo a thĩ wa mĩaka 12 na mĩaka 14 kuma thukuru citiganĩte.
It was amazing and I really think it was for a good cause because it helps a lot of like the rhinos and stuff, so it's not just like, yes, we have a lot of fun, but it's also there for a good cause, so yeah.
It was really fun and it's like good for like fundraising and like yeah, it was fun.
Rĩrĩ rĩrarĩ ikereka rĩa 22 rĩa mathako maya na marĩa mahanĩkaga oro mwaka.
Form a team shouldn't be with the immediate family, you can even work with your extended family and form a team and come and raise and bond together. It's a good way to spend the afternoon together as a family and to raise money for a worthy cause.